Okay, what's up to another software engineering concept in Python? In this video, we are going to look at mock versus MagicMock versus patch by understanding Python's test double. So in this video, we are going to discover the essential differences between Python's unittest.mock utilities. Whether you are a testing novice or experienced developer, these tools are crucial for effective test design. The unittest.mock module lets you replace real objects with test doubles, isolating code under test and controlling dependencies, and we'll explore the unique capabilities and applications of mock, MagicMock, and then also the patch. So mock versus MagicMock, we are looking at the key differences. So mock class, the base class with core features, creates attributes, methods on demand, but then the MagicMock class extends mock functionality. So the mock class uses track calls and arguments, but then the MagicMock class implements magic methods like str and iter. So the mock class uses no magic methods, but then the MagicMock class handles container operations. The mock class is best for simple dependencies. MagicMock class is ideal when magic methods are needed. Okay, so the patch function temporarily replaces objects with mocks, works as a decorator, context manager, or a function. So if you can look at this side of the presentation, we have the @patch module class here, and this is how to apply the decorator. And then also as a context manager, we have it with patch module function as a line of code like this. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Let's move on to the next videos in the playlist. Thank you for watching once again.